Today we will be unboxing these COICER bike mirrors. I am hoping these things are exactly what they're supposed to be, where they're really, really, really long, because I need a very long mirror for my bike. So let's do this. I gotta get this little, there we go. Got the sticker. Okay, get that off my fingers. Let's open this up. Okay, so we have mirror number 1. We've got an Allen wrench in this bag. That's why not just a Ziploc thing. We have another Allen wrench with our, couple of Allen wrenches with our circles that we're gonna put over our handlebar. We've got another mirror, and we've got a tiny instruction booklet, and that's it. So let's take a look at the instructions. Where is it? Installing method goes over that, and then I guess it has installation method in another language over here. Okay, so let's take a look at the mirror itself. All right. So let's see this, and it would end up looking like this, and then like this. Oh boy, that is very, very, very wide. Oh, that should fit real nice on my bike. Yeah, that's gonna be. Look at how ridiculous that is. Look, you guys can see you forever. You guys can see you forever. No, but this thing is extremely long. That's exactly what I need, because I think my bike handle is going to be somewhere right here, so I need it to be that far. And let's open this up. Uh-oh. This little metal piece fell out. I don't know what that is. There's 2 of them. I don't want to lose them because they're so tiny. So we have these very tiny pieces right here. We've got our 2 Allen wrenches, small one and big one. We've got this and this. To be honest with you, I have no idea what these are actually for. And then we've got this and this. Again, I have no idea what these are for. But yeah, this mirror, dude. This mirror is pretty crazy. And then we've got another Allen wrench right here. So I'm gonna go put these on my bike right now. These things look like they are absolutely amazing. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the, let's see. The unboxing of the COICER mirrors.